for us, it always starts with founding team and founder market fit. And so usually that involves multidisciplinary backgrounds and then teams with cross-discipline expertise. So in the molecular example above, both founders were dual PhDs in biology and computer software. So this gave them a very different perspective on how to tackle the problem they wanted to solve. Then we say, let's look for markets that are small or malformed today, but could become large if the company is successful. And so, two recent examples in our portfolio, one is called MemBio. It's biomanufacturing red blood cells outside the human body. The market for biologically manufactured red blood cells today is quite small, but if they're right, the market for this product in therapeutic and then in general transfusion is quite large and could be a big deal in the world, both in terms of enterprise value and impact on patients. Another example is a company, Filtracine. It's a spin out of Mike Snyder's lab at Stanford. It's developing a targeted nutrient therapy deprivation product for cancer management and treatment. Again, using food to treat cancer is a big, ambitious idea. If it's successful, today the market for this type of particular therapy is quite small. And so, for us, we think about, hey, this is a really special team that has a really different view on a market, in a market that does not exist today. But if they're right, they can be the leader in this market. And they're really approaching it from more of the science and biology is known, and it's really about engineering and product risk at this point.